Hello, my name's Adam from Well Woven, and I wanted to use this video as an opportunity to do a quick walkthrough of one of our outdoor rug collections. This is the Medusa collection. Medusa is a machine-made area rug collection that features a range of color palettes and a range of different weaving structures within the flat weave sisal category. So in front of me, you'll see some of the popular color krills within the group. Just kind of ranging, some of the most popular colors are these more coastal type themes, or like these cooler tones like the blues, beiges, blues and more creams, beiges. You get into some slightly more ethnic, tribal type tones, rugs, but a lot of what we see out there in the market are these sort of mix of coastal, tribal inspired, tribal with a twist. I'll just share this one here quickly. And then you got patterns like these. These are a little more on the modern contemporary side. Some stripes. Also, it's hard to see here, but there is some really nice detailed texturing caused by or as a result of the what's the word? It's skipping my mind right now. The weave structure in the patterns. You can kind of see here. Right here, you can see how in this area, the yarn loops around one weft or one warp. Weft. So it's one loop here. You can see there's two loops. I wish I could. There you go. I can click there. It turns yellow. So there you can see the yarn loops around two loops. This design has a pretty even loop structure, but in some patterns it's more prominent. You can see the varying loop structures. Here's one for example. Let me see if I can get a close up here. Yeah, there we go. So we've got a few different weave structures here. Here you have a yarn that's weaving, or yarn that's looping around three wefts, or three shots, as we call it. And then in this area here, where you see just the backing yarn, you see no yarn looping over. You're just seeing yarn over the backing of the rug, basically. This is the beige tone that's specifically given to give it sort of that neutral contrast, or that really light contrast, that warmth in the middle of the rug, where the border is more prominent, it's more saturated of that green tone. As you can also see here, the color of tone varies throughout the border. It's because it's purposely done to give it that sort of varied coloration. This is sometimes referred to as space dye, or a specific type of yarn they call CPC yarn. And actually that yarn is used on the border, so you can see here how that one strand of yarn is multitonal, essentially. So I just wanted to record this as a quick walkthrough of an outdoor rug collection that we manufacture. This is designed here in the US, also at our partner factories in Turkey, and we sell this, we offer this in a range of weights, qualities, for different applications, from e-commerce to for retail stores. So just wanted to share this. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and check you on the next one. Take care.